Welcome back. So in the previous video, we discussed about the project and we also talked about using the free hosting service from 000 Web Host. And in this task, we'll first install and host our WordPress website for free using the 000 Web Host provider. You can take a paid version if you want for hosting your website. You'll get a lot of such providers. But if you are a beginner, then obviously you want to test your website first, at least for a free period of time. So this is the solution to go ahead with it. So let's go ahead and let's click on this get started button. So here you can see here it's written free web hosting. So we're gonna select this. And let me tell you, if you are using the free web hosting service from the 000 web host provider, then it's gonna allow you to host only a single website for free, and you'll get a 300 MB disk space with it. So since we are just using this for the learning purpose, so let me select this. So just click on this free sign up button right here. So let me click it, and it is asking you to create an account. So select any option that you think would be best for you. So let me log in with Google. So click on it, and then it is asking you to enter your email or phone number. So let me enter mine and you enter yours. So as here you can see, I have entered the email. Now let me click the next button right over here, and then it is asking me to enter my password. So I'll enter mine, you enter yours. So finally I have entered my password, and now let me select this next button right over here. So it says this device isn't recognized. For your security, Google wants to make sure it's really you. So try another way to sign in. So let me select this first one, and it will send a verification code to my cell number, and I need to enter the cell or let's say I need to enter the verification code right over here. So as here you can see, I have entered the code. Now let me click the next button to proceed further, and it's done. So after signing in, you'll get something like this. So just scroll down and just click this. It's not my first rodeo. Take me to the C panel. So just click on it, and it's done. So here you need to provide the website name, and it's optional. So if you do not provide any name over here, then it will randomly generate a random name for your website. So let's go ahead and let's name our website. So since I'm going to create a medical business website, so let me call it as Doctor Clinic. You can name it anything you prefer. So now let's go ahead and let's set a new password. So I'll set mine, you set yours. So as here you can see, I have set the password and the name for my website. Now next, let's go ahead and let's click the submit button right here. So I have clicked on it. So it says another website with this name already exists. So let me change the name. So let me name it as Doctor Clinic web app. Now let's go ahead and let's click the submit button right over here, and I think it will be done at this moment. So it's processing. So it's done finally. So now since we are interested in creating a WordPress website, so now just go ahead and click this install WordPress. So just click on this select button right here, and now these are the credentials that you need to provide for the WordPress installation. So the first one is going to be the admin username, and the second one is going to be the admin password. So you're going to use these credentials later. So let me leave the admin username as admin only, and now let's go ahead and let's set a new password for the admin. So these are the credentials that you will need in order to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. So you need to remember this. So here you need to provide the admin password, and after providing the password, you need to click the install button right over here. So let me do it, and let me click the install button. So after clicking the install button, you'll get something like this. It says, great, we are installing WordPress for you. So it usually takes up to 60 seconds for your website to be set up. Sit back and relax. So it says retrieving WordPress files, and it says unpacking. So it's gonna take a bit of time to set up everything. So till then, I'll pause my video and I'll come back later when it's done. So after the setup process has completed, you're gonna get something like this. So it says, "Congratulations, it's ready. Your WordPress is now ready for configuration." So now let's go ahead and let's click onto this go to configuration page, and it's done. So this is the admin panel for your WordPress website. So here you need to enter the username or the email address and the password that you had previously set up. So here at the top here you can see it's the name for your website, which is then followed by the 000webhostapp.com. And now let's go ahead and let's provide the credentials that we had set up earlier. So if you remember, it was admin. And now next here you need to provide the password. So I'll enter mine, you enter yours that you had previously set up while installing the WordPress on this platform. So here you can see I have entered the username and the password for my admin dashboard panel. So now let's go ahead and let's click on this login button right over here, and then it's gonna navigate you to the WordPress dashboard, and it's done. So that's all. So in this task, you got the subdomain for your WordPress website. You also hosted your website for free. And in the next task, we'll explore the WordPress dashboard area.